Hey everybody, it's Coach.
And Mrs. Coach.
This is CoachCastTV. We're back today with a group called The Who.
Oh, I like them.
Yes, and this is actually a Buy Me a Coffee request, which is buymeacoffee.com/CoachCastTV. And the request says, I'm glad you like the suggestion for The Who so much. So I'd like to introduce you to another of their songs that's called Mother Nature. And it features American singer-songwriter LP. And here's the link, enjoy, and it says, greetings from Germany, and is the name. So, anyway, we do like The Who. Mm-hmm. They have been quite interesting to learn about.
They have. And
we're going to be learning about something else today because I have no idea who LP is.
I thought LP was a record.
A record, right. So,
sorry.
Anyway, we're going to learn something.
Okay.
Coming up next. All right, and I did look for subtitles. There are none, but it's okay. We'll just roll with it. Mm-hmm. Oh, wow. There are some very interesting sounds that these folks make.
I like how they incorporate all these different musical instruments on top of the vocal layering that they do.
Mm-hmm. For example, this one on the screen.
I have no idea what it is.
I don't know what that is either.
Well, we'll have to go to Mongolia to find out.
Or our viewers could tell us in the comments and then save us some airfare.
But we still go to Mongolia.
We can still go to Mongolia, yes. Anyway, I really do like the cinematography in this one as well. You know, the switch between showing them in the studio and then adding in some of those nature views. Well,
I tell you what, this group has been very fascinating. I love how they use the throat for the vocals. It's just not something I'm used to, but I really, really do like it.
Yeah, for sure. And I think, I could be wrong, but I think we're getting ready to be introduced to LP, maybe. Here we go.
Okay.
Well, I gotta say, her voice goes really well with this song.
When she first started singing, my first thought was, Native American Indian sound, because the way she was using her vocals to make those sounds, it was a very interesting dynamic. I mean, I'd like to know what she does and what kind of genre she does, because really it's kind of unique, and it goes perfectly, like you said, with the Who.
Yeah, and so you guys can let us know more about LP, because we clearly know nothing about her. However, our viewers knew before we started that section that Coach is always right, so I knew LP was coming up. Anyway, I really do like, though, the dynamic of these voices. They go really well together.
I like the actual scenery, too, because, I mean, they had one of my favorite animals on the screen, which was a hawk. I love those birds. Those birds are huge.
Oh,
wow.
Well, that was pretty cool.
I tell you what, it is fascinating to watch this group.
Yep.
The thing that highlights for me when doing the reaction channel is to actually see the different cultures and how they put all the music together, how they do their collaborations, because it's well thought out, it's very well done, and it really makes you stop and think.
Yeah, I mean, for example, this video highlighted both The Who and LP.
Yes.
Very well, and it's another example of how music videos don't have to be flashy and use a bunch of AI technology and so forth. Just throw some great scenery and switch back to showing them in the studio and stuff. I thought it was a really effective video.
Well, also too, the music was highlighting an actual planet and how everything has to work together to survive. And I think people get so busy today that they forget that has to happen.
Yeah, and it also, you said it had one of your favorite animals, also had one of my favorite animals, which was the dog.
Yeah, and they had the horse and the butterflies.
Yes, yes. So anyway, our 16-plus-year-old Shiba Inu is waiting for us to finish this recording session patiently.
Yes.
I don't know if he's patient or he's just zoned out again. I don't know, but
He sleeps all day.
he does. But it's a good life. Anyway, thank you very much for this suggestion, and the folks who turned us on to this band, thank you very much, because they truly are something different and something special.
Well, and also, too, I really am interested to hear more about LP.
Yeah. Yeah, her voice was very unique as well. So there'll be a lot of reading assignments for us after our viewers leave the comments. So anyway, throw a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed.
And ring that bell.
We'll be back again on CoachCast TV.